In this video, we will discuss about types of data or variables on the perspective of business analysis or data science. Initially, variables are divided into two parts, numeric, another one is categorical. Let's discuss about numeric variables. Numeric variables are quantitative in nature. All are in numbers. For example, how many mobiles we sold last month in a specific store, or what is the revenue of a company last year, or maybe age of a person. So those are like numeric variables. Okay. Again, numeric variables are divided into two parts. One is discrete, another is continuous. Discrete variables are whole numbers. It cannot be divided. For example, number of students in a class. A class can have 50 students or 70 students, but it cannot have 70.5 students. Similarly, number of seats in a flight. A flight can have 200 seats or 150 seats, but a flight cannot have 150.2 seats. Okay. Another example is number of wheels in a truck. A truck can have 4 wheels or 6 wheels or maybe 10 wheels, but a truck cannot have 3.5 wheels. So discrete variable are whole numbers, that is integers only. It has some limited numbers, not indefinite, or you cannot divide them. Okay, those are whole numbers. Now continuous variables. Continuous variables, it may not be a whole number. For example, age of a person. A person's age can be 26 years or 27 years or maybe 26.5 years, considering 0.5 years a month. Similarly, height of a person can be 5 feet, 6 feet, 5.5 feet, 5.7 feet, 5.8 feet, and so on. Another example is salary. Salary of a person can be 25 lakhs per year or maybe 25.3 lakhs per year. Okay. Now comes to categorical variables. Categorical variables are qualitative in nature. We can see the names or categories or attributes. Okay. Categorical variables again divided into two parts, nominal variable and ordinal variables. Nominal variables are names. It doesn't have any specific ranking or not specific in orders. That doesn't have any specific order. Okay. For example, gender. It may be male or female, but it cannot say male is number one or female's position is in the number one position. Similarly, colors or maybe marital status or country names, you cannot order them. There is no specific ranking. Okay. Ordinal variables. Ordinal variables has specific orders like high, medium, low temperature. It is always a specific order. Either you take it ascending order or descending order. Similarly, grades or ratings. Maybe you give 5-star to specific restaurant or maybe 4-star, like, or maybe 1-star, which is not satisfied at all. Okay. There are few other points to remember when you do data analysis. Sometimes categorical variables can look like numeric variables. As you see in the previous example, ratings, those are in numbers, like 5 ratings or 4 ratings. Those are numbers, but in actual, those are categorical values, or those values you can save in a categorical variables. Another points to remember, we can convert a numeric variables to categorical variables. Example, age can be converted to child, teen, young, or old. We can group them. Similarly, we can convert numeric values to beans or groups. Let's say we have collected data of 10,000 employees salary, and other than analyzing one by one person's individual salary, that is in numbers, we can group them 5 to 10 lakh, 10 to 20 lakh, and so on. So let's say in 5 to 10 lakhs we may get 5,000 employees, 10 to 20 lakhs we may get 3,000 employees, something like that. So for easier analysis or from the business perspective, we can group them, and sometimes we call them bins. We can discuss about bins further on the next video. One of the important points to remember, in a data set we may get some variables like flight ticket numbers or student IDs or employee IDs. Those are identifiers. Those variables may not be useful for your data analysis. So most of the time we skip those variables or we delete those variables before we start our analysis. Okay, that's all for now. Let's meet on next video.